today, I would love to just share my stationery collection, and I would love to just like journal together and write letters together. Yeah, journaling has been really important for me in like my journey towards like self-healing and dealing with trauma and also very intense anxiety. So this is just like something that I would love to share with you guys. I think when I first started to journal, it was really difficult because I tried to keep everything so organized, but I think that it's really nice to have just a daily journal where I just write everything in and I don't have to worry about keeping it organized. It's just a mess, but it's a mess for me. So when it comes to my daily journaling, it's not necessarily daily, it's as often as I can, but I try to at least do it like every 2 days, every 3 days if I'm really busy, but ideally it would be daily. I write down 3 things that I am proud of doing that day, and I write down 3 things that I am grateful for that day. I struggle a lot with depression and anxiety, so I think that also keeping a journal for reminding myself of the things that I have done, the things that I'm proud of, it really helps remind me that I am a person with worth. I feel like we're sort of constantly going so fast in our lives at like 100 miles per hour. We don't even really have time to stop and think like, am I happy with where I am? Am I sad? Why am I sad? I don't think that we ever stop to just really ask ourselves why about a lot of things, because we're constantly just trying to move so fast towards the next thing in our lives. And I feel like when I started reframing my mindset and thinking more about asking myself, like, really, what do you feel? I realized that I really neglect a lot of my emotions. I neglect when I'm sad or depressed or anxious because I'm just focused on grinding. So keeping a journal has really helped me ground my thoughts and just think more about what I really need in the moment. One thing that I'm really excited to share with you guys, I am going to start it in this video. I haven't started it at all, is my boba journal. I told my therapist about how one of my coping mechanisms for anxiety has always been to just go out and get boba. I've been getting boba since I was a kid, and I've associated it with like childhood memories and happiness and safety. My therapist recommended to do something that helps occupy more of the senses when my anxiety is really bad. And so we came up with this idea together to do a boba journal. I'm going to write about how it occupies all of the senses. So what I see, what I feel, what I taste, what I smell, and also I guess what I hear, if that is applicable in the moment. I always just thought of anxiety as something that was absolutely dreadful and I just have to deal with it, but I didn't realize that there was practices that I could take to sort of make it more manageable. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to show my therapist because I'm gonna make it really cute. I'm gonna put so many stickers on it. And also Valentine's Day is coming up, as well as Lunar New Year's. It's like really close together this year. So I wanted to write love letters for my friends. I just thought that sending love letters to my friends would be a really nice way to reach out and to show people that like I care about them and I love them, I'm thinking about them. And I am also like a stationery hoarder. Like I have so much stationery. It's pretty intense. So I just thought that it would be fun to like write letters for my friends with you guys. And I can show you guys like a bit of my stationery collection. Maybe not the entire thing because it's literally so much. I've talked a lot, but I'm just gonna start doing my thing. Gonna start journaling and start writing. I think for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna put on some chill music and you guys can feel free to journal with me, or I don't know, maybe write a love letter to some of your friends and show them that you're thinking about them.
アッシュ、君の無事な姿が見られないから僕は不安でたまらない。君は言ったね。俺たちは住む世界が違うと。でも本当にそうなのかな。僕たちは肌の色も目の色も生まれた国も全て違う。でも僕たちは友達だ。それで十分なんじゃないのかい？